everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and fun bleach dyed taco shirt. For the materials, you'll need a bucket of water, bleach, gloves, a mostly cotton shirt, an iron-on decal, rubber bands, and an iron. First, crumple up the shirt. Then rubber band around it to keep it in place. After that, spray or cover it with the bleach. Let it sit until it's a color or shade you'd like. Then dunk it in water to stop the bleaching process. Wash and dry it by itself. Then take the decal and figure out where you'd like it to go. Iron it on. Remove the transfer tape. And that's it! It's super easy to do and is a funny shirt to wear around if you're in a relationship. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.